looking for AC repair and maintenance in St Albert. At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have a reliable cooling system, especially during the hottest months. Whether your AC isn't keeping up with the heat or needs a routine tune-up, our expert technicians provide fast, professional service to restore efficiency and prevent costly breakdowns. We specialise in AC repair, seasonal maintenance, and emergency HVAC service to keep your home comfortable year-round. In St Albert, fluctuating temperatures can put extra strain on your air conditioner. That's why regular AC maintenance is key to preventing system failures and lowering energy costs. With same-day service, expert repairs, and upfront pricing, Kingstree Plumbing is your trusted choice for AC repair and maintenance in St Albert. Keep watching to see why homeowners rely on us for expert cooling solutions.